Hey everyone, welcome to Make a Card Monday. Today we're going to be doing this beautiful little Magnolia card. I fell in love with this stamp set and I just wanted to share it with you. So to get us started, I'm going to show you the stamps themselves first. There's quite a few different ones here. I ended up stamping all of these and coloring all of these because I ended up using them all on the card. And I'm going to be using some Gamsol, of course, with my Prismacolor pencils. And I think this will turn out quite well because I only have to use a little bit of color. I'm going to be stretching it out so much to just fade it out. But I'm only using, I think, 7 colors there. Simple, simple. So I went ahead and stamped these out. I am ready to go, and this is Hammer Mill paper cardstock. It's very smooth, and I have the dies to cut these out when I'm finished. So let's get to coloring, and I'll see you back here in a few.
Just like a dream, you and I standing wild and free, with petals so golden, the sun's warm kiss, a love so strong, a bliss. Whispers of the breeze, secrets unfold. It's you that I need, it's you that I want. When the world gets cold, it's you and me. When the sun comes back, you'll see. Oh, dandelion, the strength that you've shown, stronger each year. Look how we hold on through the toughest of times. We still stand strong. Through pavement we will grow.
going to stamp out my sentiment, and I did choose this one, Friendships Refresh the Soul. I kind of thought it would be really pretty with this card. My piece of paper was too small, so I had to go get a bigger one. I'm just going to cut off a chunk, and this is also Hammer Mill cardstock. So smooth, and it's so nice. But I do double it up because it's not quite as thick as the card bases that I use. And I'm using my Memento Tuxedo Black. Such a wonderful product. I love their ink pads. And I just have the minis. I did buy the big one in the black, but I'm not going to use it until this runs low. So I got these dies last week, I think. I've been wanting to use them, and I thought, well, I could use that for the sentiments because I didn't have dies to cut the sentiments out. So I thought we'll try them out and see how they work. I didn't do a lot of zhuzhing on this card because I wanted the colored flowers to stand out on their own. So I didn't do any fancy backgrounds or anything like that. I kept it very simple. And this is just my bump layer, I call it, just to give it a little more thickness. I did have a little bit of a struggle bus today. I have like no strength in my hands today. I did a lot of moving things this weekend in my card room / paint room. I restocked the paint shelf. I still have a lot of paint left, guys. So if you're looking to get paints, I still have quite a few. I'm out of a few colors, but not all of them. They are getting low, though. Someday they may be all gone, and I can claim those shelves. That's my goal anyway. Alright, so while I'm waiting for this glue to settle, I'm going to use this wood panel background. And this may look familiar. I used this for the artist cards that I made a couple months ago. But I'm laying it out here vertically, but I end up going horizontal. And I really like it better horizontal. Now that cardstock is pretty thick. I was very pleased with this when I got it. And I think that one is from Joann's. Joann's or Hobby Lobby, one of them. I like wood grain backgrounds. I think they look pretty cool. I'm going to go ahead and put my paperweights on here to hold that down while I decide which way I want to lay this out. This is the fun part of card making, is moving things around and seeing which way you want to go and where you're going to put your sentiment. And then are you going to add Julie's? I didn't want it too busy because of the flowers being so dainty and minimal. Sorry. My back has been out for a few days, so I've been coughing a lot because it affects my breathing. That's probably why my hands are so weak. It was so hard for me to squeeze that glue bottle. It actually hurt to squeeze that glue bottle. I've just been overdoing it a little bit with moving things that are heavy, and I shouldn't be doing that. So I'm putting some foam tape on the back because I want this to bump up. And of course, you're going to hear my dogs bark because they can't behave. They've been really barky today, but it's been raining for days. And we've been limiting their time outside, so they're mad at us. Just picture 4 white dogs going out into a muddy backyard. Mess. So I'm trying to squeeze all these little components in here without overdoing it. But you have some flowers are big, and then you have that sprig of just that small daintiness. So it was kind of hard. I couldn't use the big flower up there near there, so I ended up putting it in the corner here to keep it away from that part. And it all blended in quite well, I think, in my opinion. I'm trying to use up all these little foam squares I have on that one sheet before I open a new one. And then I'll glue the leaves directly to the card base. There, I think that looks cute. So I thought this was something on the card, and what it was, I didn't nip that piece of metal off the die, so it ended up printing into the card. It's okay, because I'm going to put something on it. I'm going to stamp the back of this with my signature, made by Christina stamp. And I have these pretty Aura Borealis clear Julies that I'm going to add. So when they color shift, they look pink. They're really pretty. But I'm going to put one right on that spot. I'm adding 5. Here comes the struggle of squeezing the bottle. So I switched hands. It's just easier. And the last one. And it's all done. I didn't put anything on the inside, because if it's a friendship card, you usually want to write a little note yourself on the inside. But thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next week.